Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Boots.
So one of the things that I have done in the past is using this thing for wall texture. However, this stuff, it was in my garage. When I tried to spray it, even though this is a brand new bottle, you can hear that it has some fluid inside. It's not spraying. So this is a piece of crap. And I found a solution that can assist me with the texture without having to use this stuff. So what I did is that I made my own mud right here, and I'm gonna be using a piece of sponge, and just like grab it and create my own texture with it. Sometimes you have to add a little bit more water, but it does look like this is a way cheaper alternative, because those bottles are usually like $15. But if you do it like this, that will save you some money. So thank you so much for watching.